Hello there, my friends. So we are here on subtopic 2, and we are going to do a little bit of rinse and repeat, wash and repeat of subtopic 1. So if you manage to get through subtopic 1, then subtopic 2 should be fairly similar in format and how you do what you do to subtopic 1. Okay, you need to introduce your topic, your subtopic. So that's what we're going to do. This video is just picking an introduction phrase. Now, good writers don't just use the same things over and over. That's boring. So you need to go through and you need to pick a different transition phrase to move us into our new subtopic. Okay? So please, don't use the same one you did on paragraph subtopic 1 paragraph. Don't do it. I'll make you change it. Pick a different one. And again, these are not a comprehensive total list of all transition phrases you could pick from. Not at all. I just gave you some common ones. Some of the ones that just kind of came off the top of my head. If you need more, want something different, go look it up. Or come talk to me and we could dream some more up. Okay? So I am going to look at subtopic 2. My subtopic 2 is how to care for your guppies. Alright, so we're not talking about types of guppies anymore. We're talking about how do we take care of these little fish. And I want to be able to transition into this thought. And to do that, what I'm going to say is you could pick any one of these 5 transition phrases. Okay? Because if you look back over here, subtopic 1, you had, I would like to introduce my subtopic, my topic. Here I would like to say, I'm going to be covering, and then how to care for your guppies. So if you go down here, it'll fill it in. I'm going to be covering how to care for your guppies. Alright, I know exactly what you're transitioning into. So now you got to go and find your facts. So we've gotten our first, we're transitioning into a new subtopic. Let's get going. Bip, bip. I'll see you on the next video.